How to fix shoulder pain. One of the issues that individuals who have work area employments much of the time gripe about is torment around the shoulder bones. Truth be told, bare torment is regular among individuals who work with their arms reached out before them, be it writing on a PC console, cooking, conveying kids, lifting overwhelming items or washing dishes. Shoulder agony may emerge from the shoulder joint itself or from the encompassing muscles, tendons or ligaments. Agony that emerges from the joint intensifies with action or development of the arm or shoulder. There are numerous straightforward and successful tips that can enable you to manage bare torment and enhance portability. Alert! In instances of serious shoulder torment, bizarre conduct, or spewing, look for medicinal consideration promptly. 1. Cold compress. With regards to bare torment, the primary home treatment that you should attempt is applying a cool pack on the influenced region. The icy temperature will help numb the torment and help in decreasing aggravation. It will likewise constrain the development of lactic corrosive, a side effect of muscle digestion that can build muscle soreness and agony. Wrap semi-solid shapes in a thin towel. Hold it against the difficult range for 10 to 15 minutes. Rehash at regular intervals for the initial 48 hours. Rather than ice, you can likewise utilize a pack of solidified peas. Similarly, alert! Do not have any significant bearing ice specifically on the skin, as it can cause frostbite and aggravate the condition even. 2. Heat therapy. If your shoulder pain is not getting better, even after using cold compresses for the first 48 hours, you can switch to heat therapy. Fill a high-temp water pack with heated water and place it on the influenced range for 10 to 15 minutes. Rehash a couple of times each day until the point when you get finish help. Then again, remain in the shower and run warm to somewhat boiling water on your shoulder for 5 to 10 minutes, twice day by day. While getting a charge out of the hot shower, endeavor to stop so the warmth from the water penetrates the influenced range. 3. Compression and elevation. At times, the best thing you can do to settle bare torment is to rest the influenced territory for several days. For this, utilizing pressure is an awesome thought. It will help general muscle soreness leave speedier. Pack the influenced territory by wrapping it with a versatile gauze or a warm wrap, which you can without much of a stretch purchase from the medication store. Utilize the pressure wrap for a couple of days or until the point that the agony and swelling are no more. Additionally, keep your shoulder lifted with the assistance of cushions to elevate appropriate bloodstream to the range to encourage mending. Alert! Do not wrap the zone too firmly. It can prompt poor flow and decline the condition. 4. Massage therapy. Back rub treatment is a decent alternative to control bare torment. A delicate back rub will help unwind the solid and tight muscles while expanding blood dissemination. This thusly will help diminish the torment. Likewise, rub encourages you rest better, which is imperative for the mending procedure. Before starting the back rub, clean up or shower for 10 minutes to unwind the tight muscles. Apply some warm olive, coconut, or mustard oil on the influenced territory. Back rub the oil over the region utilizing firm, yet delicate strokes for a few minutes. To complete the back rub, coast both your hands down the back in long, streaming strokes. Put a warm towel on the influenced range for 30 minutes. Do knead a couple of times day by day until the point when the torment dies down. 5. Stretching. Stretching is an effective way to treat shoulder pain. It restores joint movement and reduces pain. Standing up straight, raise your shoulders and hold this position for 5 seconds or more. Squeeze your shoulder blades back and together and hold this position for 5 seconds. Pull your shoulders blades downward and hold this position for 5 seconds. Relax and repeat this stretching exercise for 10 minutes. Do this 3 or 4 times a day. 6. Shoulder rolls exercise. This is an easy exercise that you can do while sitting down to release the tension in your shoulders and reduce the pain. It also helps release tight muscles in your neck and upper back. Sit with your feet together or slightly apart. Lift your chest gently as you straighten your back. Lift your shoulders up toward your ears and start making small forward circles by gently rolling your shoulders forward, down, back and up. Breathe normally while doing 5 to 10 forward circles. Take a break for a few seconds, then move your shoulders in backward circles. Do this exercise 4 or 5 times a day. 7. Standing pendulum exercise. At the point when performed effectively, the standing pendulum practice is an extraordinary approach to settle bear torment. By utilizing the weight and energy of your arm, this activity empowers development at the shoulder joint, which thus decreases pressure in your shoulder muscles. Remain next to a tough table or seat. Rest one of your hands on the table. Enable your other arm to hang down uninhibitedly. Swing it tenderly in reverse, forward and in round movements. Rehash 5 to 10 times. At that point, do likewise with the other arm. Do this straightforward exercise 2 or 3 times each day. 8. Acupressure and acupuncture. Acupuncture and acupressure, traditional Chinese treatments, are beneficial and effective for relieving pain and improving shoulder function. In acupuncture, a therapist uses thin needles to apply pressure to specific points that help ease pain. Acupressure is performed on the same points, but without the needles. Some of the acupressure points to ease shoulder pain are Li15, Li16, Si9, Si10, Si11 and Si12. Always get acupressure and acupuncture done by an expert for the best results. 9. Anti-inflammatory foods. To relieve shoulder pain and reduce inflammation, include anti-inflammatory foods in your diet. There are many foods that are rich in anti-inflammatory properties that can help provide some pain relief. Eat anti-inflammatory foods and herbs like tart cherries, olive oil, sage, ginger, turmeric, green tea, salmon, cayenne pepper, cinnamon, cloves, garlic, and pineapple, to name a few. All of these foods have a place in a healthy diet, and eating and cooking with them is easy.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.